Today we are going to open up the Treasure X Golden Dragon Treasure Set. Let's open. It was taking long, so we put some warm water in a bowl and put it in here. So let's take it. I'm gonna put mine together and then open the next one. We've got everything cleaned up, and here's what we found. But we have an extra leg, which
And
is
this
kind
is
of
my dragon.
weird.
So cool.
My favorite is this little egg. The
And what is this
mysterious
thing? Is this a guitar or a key?
egg. Now,
Let's open
we
these.
haven't opened these yet.
And this is a heart, so let's open it.
This is,
I opened it.
ooh, something in here. It's
this,
purple, my
Is
favorite
this slime?
color.
There's something in the slime. It's so gooey. It's purple. Yours is purple. I saw yours when it was in the container. It looked like brown.
Me too. I thought it was brown, and then I took it out. It was purple.
Whoa, so gooey.
It's like slime.
It's like sticky slime. This is slime, Marianne. But it's like weird slime. It's gooey. Mine's coming out. Mine got out! Because I used this tool. Okay, let's take off all the slime. Slime's so sticky. Ah, this is like small, tiny slime.
Okay.
It also stretches.
I
It's
still do not know what this is. But what do you guys think it is? Oh, what do you guys? What is yours? You came with a container. Yours is awesome.
Okay, let's open mine. Oh, there's slime in here. This thing's gooey. Slime. Take it. Open up. Ooh, this is
Real gold.
actually. Wait, this is fake gold and this is real gold. This is a hammer. Yeah.
Kind of looks like a crown.
Here it is.
That's not holding it up.
Here it is. It's a hammer, which is, if you don't have the stick thing, it'll look like a crab.
Real gold.
Looks like real gold.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give it a huge thumbs up.
And remember, be kind to others.
And make a new friend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.